Um, Good evening, everyone. My name is Claudia Flores. This is activity corresponding to description my neighborhood. I live in Garden Villaluz in Bogota, Colombia. This is the principal park. Their name is Garden of Villaluz. In Villaluz there are many supermarkets. This is the principal supermarket of my neighborhood. Su call is Zapatoca. We have some wines schools, but the school in this place are private. This is one school called Gimnasio Los Alerces. We have many restaurants. This is one restaurant of my neighborhood. This is a station Polit. Is located in the on the Park Villaluz. We have many shops where sell all kind of the products. For example, product for pets. In other shops sells food cooked or fruit. In the shop sells salad fruit. Many sweets. In this place we can stage hairs and other shop where sell service. This is the baker sell bread. In this shop sells meat, milk, and other products. Is a good shop. Is recognized. Druggers shops. In this place, the community developing diverse activities, activities of character social. This is some houses of the sector. We have one hospital, and this is our culture house. We have many banks and other shops. In this place there are all kind of the transportation, the public transportation, as a zip. We don't have a Transmilenio, but we have a good transportation. Villaluz is next Avenue, Boyacá Avenue, José Celestino Mutes Avenue, Cali Avenue, Mm, um, this place is located in a center place of the city. Is a good place for to live. Um, no more. I thank for your attention. See you.